Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, hi, I am Palvi and do not forget to subscribe to my channel below. If you are watching me for the first time, I make beauty, lifestyle and travel vlogs, you can say. So coming to travel vlogs, I am vlogging today and I am going somewhere to a destination that we are visiting for the first time, and I am low-key very excited to go there and explore that place. But firstly, I have been here after a very long time because a lot of things are going on in the background, and I will be telling you guys that in some next video, a talkative video you can say, and I will be pouring my heart out in that video. So stay tuned for that. Now we are here ready to go. We have packed our bags, if you can see, and we are all ready to go, waiting for our car. And I'll be showing you guys obviously where I'm going. Like if you are seeing this vlog, you will know in some time that where we are going. I will tell you guys. But yeah, today is 4th of November, first day of Diwali. Happy Diwali to you all. If you are watching this video after Diwali, then happy Diwali to you all belated. So yeah, most probably we'll see this video after Diwali only, because I'll be coming home editing all this and then I'll be putting this in 2 parts probably, because we are going for 4 days. So yeah, let's see how that goes. And yeah, we are waiting for our car, and we'll see you there. So now we are here to have our breakfast. We had an amazing breakfast, like totally Gujarati breakfast. So we had an amazing breakfast. Now we are again heading to the same road. So yeah. Hello guys. So we are here now. We are staying in a beautiful place. I will show you the room tour, hotel tour, everything, and the links will be also in the description. So I will tell you each and every information. And now we came, like checked in the hotel, we got ready, and now we are going to see Statue of Unity. So yeah, very excited. The property we are living in is really very beautiful. It's like you can see behind the windows, so you can guess like it's very royal palace kind of a stay. So yeah, I will show you. I'm very excited to show you guys the room tour and everything. So we will click a lot of photos and then we will go and see Statue of Unity. So yeah.
the next day.
Hello guys, so this is day 3 in our trip. So yesterday we did our Statue of Unity tour, plus we did the jungle safari, plus we visited the Glow Garden. We did these 3 things, but the problem was that we were in very much hurry because we reached there really very late and we were like just running around. Today is a day we are going to other places too. I don't know the place's name yet. I will tell that to you guys, but we are going to other places today. We are going today by a bus which is inside the Statue of Unity. So we are going to Pet Zone and a few gardens and etc. So we are going to do that today. Also, I promised you guys that I will give you a room tour which is really very lavish and very beautiful, and I will also show you the hotel, and I will also show you the breakdown of our trip towards the end of this video. So yeah, I will show you the room tour now. So these are the staircases which come from down. So you have to come here up, you have to go straight, and this is how our corridor looks like, which is like so huge and so beautiful. This is our corridor, and here comes our room. This is the room 1 that we have taken, and this is how the end of the corridor looks like, which is very beautiful. We took a lot of photos here. I'll also show you the gallery that's here with a great view. So this is the entrance of our room. Then once we open the door, this is how our room looks like, which is little bit messed up, but anyways, so this is how our room looks like. The bed again is like a king size. We 3 slept in the same bed last night, so you can assume that how huge it is. So this is a king size bed, you can say. This is the television, which doesn't work, by the way. This is our bathroom, and this is a little sitting area which is a little bit messed up. So yeah, this is a beautiful rug over here. This is a mirror over here, and you can see how huge the bathroom is. Again, very huge place. And again, here's the gallery. Okay, so again the door of the gallery is same like the main door, only the color difference. Then I'll show you the gallery. So this is how the gallery looks like. It's not that huge, it's small, but it's pretty. The view is also quite decent, quite pretty. So yeah, this was a quick room tour for you guys. The links will be in the description box below. This is a beautiful hotel. You can see this is a beautiful palace to stay in here. You have to travel like for half an hour or so to go there to Statue of Unity. But that was fine for us because nearby all the hotels were like booked because it's Diwali season. We gave like 11,000 for 6 people over here. So you can tell around 2,000ish for per person, and for 2,000 it's a pretty good hotel, pretty good vibe of the hotel, and the room service is not that good, to be really very honest, but that's fine because we came here to stay only for 1 night, so that's completely fine. But again, just giving you pros and cons. The hotel is beautiful, the vibe is beautiful. So yeah, that was a quick little room tour. I'll also show you the hotel when I go down now. This is the cute little dining area. Hello guys, so basically it's like weeks after the trip. I forgot to end the vlog. I'm here to end this vlog now. I decided to put this vlog in 2 parts, but I thought let's just mix it up and put it in one part only, because the vlog was anyway not that long. So I thought let's put that together. And yeah, here was our mini 4-day trip. We enjoyed it a lot. We had a good break from our routine. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you guys enjoyed this vlog, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you like whatever you see on this channel, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel below. Press the ring button beside the subscribe button, so every time I upload a video you will get notified and you can watch it at that time only. So yeah, I hope you guys like this vlog, and yeah, we'll meet soon. Bye.